I first started my business almost 15 years ago, and it was really on a dream of building a shop that has everything under one roof. So I talked to my grandfather. He let me borrow $5,000, and I really created this out of it. So I started doing body work, learning some suspension, learning how to weld, which led into building these crazy cars that we build today. One of the most important things with our client-customer relationships that we have is trust. We're not scared to do things that other people don't do. A lot of these cars that I'm working on are $100,000 plus cars that they give to me to create a masterpiece out of, and it takes a lot of trust. You know, I spend all this time building this brand to what it is today. Hopefully, when I step down, Ryan will step up, and then Ryan will have Dylan to help him out. Me and my team demand a lot from our Carhartt tool. In our shop, everything's got to be tough. The builds that we do, whether it's fabrication or it's paint or it's upholstery or it's the wood shop, I mean, the guys work in these clothes, and the durability and the ruggedness is the most important piece. It represents who West Coast Customs is and what Carhartt's all about. I'm Ryan Friedlinghaus, and this is my Carhartt story.